Everybody, welcome back to Gary Paints It. We are going to do another painting today. It's going to be 12 by 24. Got that ready to go. And what we're going to do today is, I'm going to call it a rat rod. It's not very ratty, but I'm not sure what else to call it. But anyway, it's one of those low riding ones. And we're going to take care of that, start that today. Hopefully you get it done. And before we go any further, I please ask that you please like and subscribe. And let's get busy on this painting, see how it turns out. All right, welcome back to my model progress. This is what I've got so far, and I've got a backdrop and some trees. I got the pumps painted, the building painted pretty much. I'm making a countertop to go inside here for the people. Yeah, like it's real. And I bought some lights that I hope will illuminate some things. All right, I got all my cars over there, and that's another piece of the background here I may use, may not use. There's got a Coke machine. It's going to go in there, and then today I got some mechanics. So I'm going to have some people working on vehicles, and there's all the parts. Hopefully I'll be able to do them. And there's some more of my miniature stuff. Got the oil cans and the tires and the barrel. Anyway, it's kind of strewn all over my kitchen right now, and I'm in the process of putting this together. I got a base done, and I've got tire marks. You know, they go into the building. I painted checkered floor in the office, and you look close, you can see footprints going around the desk from the garage because they would track in grease and stuff. So anyway, it's just been fun putting it all together. And I've got some wheels in the window and a drag racing advertisement poster. And over here, I've got some decals, customer parking only, and I might put up something else on the side there. But anyway, that's kind of the progress I'm making. with this build. I'm hoping I can get some lights in there and then hide the wire somehow and take it underneath. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. And put my operating stuff on the back where I can flip a switch or whatever, and hopefully lights will come on inside and out. Well, we'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's my progress. Stay tuned for more. Okay, I know you're dying to see it. It's not done. I just slapped it together to get it out of my, so I could do some cooking for supper. Anyway, I kind of set it all up here, and there's just a kind of a quick view, and it's not totally done. So anyway, see you later. All right. Well, we got it done. Got it on the wall. Hopefully, it turned out to everybody's liking. I don't know. Maybe it did. Maybe it didn't. But I like it. And anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Remember, I've got a Facebook page. It's called Classic Paintings. You can see all of my work there. This is number 174, maybe. I don't know. And if you'd like to see a painting done of your car on this channel, just shoot me an email at garypaintsit@outlook.com. Remember, God loves us. Jesus died for us. We're all blessed in many ways. Hope you have a great day, and thanks again for watching.